this video, I will show you how to set buy limit orders on Bitvavo. So if you haven't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to trade your first 10K for free. So no commissions for your first 10,000. So you can save a lot of money on this. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now. And from our Bitvavo home screen, we're going to click on the profile section at the top right. And from here, you're going to click on Pro Mode at the top. Once you have entered Pro Mode, then select the crypto that you want to set this limit for. So let's say we want to set it for Ethereum. Then we're going to click on Ethereum. And at the bottom left, we're going to click on Buy. So under Buy, we see Limit. So let's go ahead and click on Limit and then click on Stop Limit. And there we see trigger price, limit price, account, and total. And to set a trigger price, we are going to enter something that is, let's say, 2,200. And for limit price, we're going to click on plus. And this needs to be something that's similar to the current price. And as you can see on the left side, that is 2,515. So underneath, you can select the amount of your Ethereum portfolio that you want to enter in this limit. So let's say I want 2% in. Then we're going to change this to 2%. And right now we can see that if we preview this order and confirm this, then we will trigger this at 2,200. So when you initiate this, you will automatically buy the percentage of your portfolio in Ethereum. So if you click on preview order, you will finalize this. And if you confirm this and you wish to remove this, you can go to this section, open orders down below, as you can see, and there it will be visible then. And then you can easily click on remove, and then it is removed. And your balance will not change once you enter this, because it will only be triggered at the certain trigger price. So it's depending on which price you're selecting. So that is how this works. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.